Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a Valentine's nail. We're going to use some flocking powder and do some cute little hearts. So I'm starting off with 2 coats of a white gel polish on my nail pop. Cured that and then popped the top coat on and wiped away the sticky layer. We're going to go in with our dotting tool and using a red gel polish we're just going to map out some easy hearts using our dotting tool, and we will swap halfway through to make some other sized hearts. So obviously bigger the heart, the bigger the dotting tool. Smaller the heart, the smaller the dotting tool. I also use the little pointy bit of one of the dotting tools to wipe away and clean up some of my mess, as well as my finger here, obviously. So once we've finished doing our hearts of all shapes and all sizes, you can do as many or as least as you like. Oh my lord, I've got an itchy nose. So obviously hearts, dotting tool, very easy. Just 2 dots, like little cherries, and then join them in the middle, as you see me demonstrating a couple of times here. And if you mess them up, they are easy to clean up, either with the little pointy bit of another dotting tool, like I showed just a minute ago, your finger, as I showed a minute ago, or you could use a brush. And then we are going to swap over to our little dotting tool, as you can see there, and get some tinier hearts going. Once we've done that, we're going to pop that into the lamp, but just for a few seconds, like 10 seconds, and then get ready to apply our flocking. So this is our flocking powder in red. This one has got a slight golden glittery tinge to it. I am using a brush, just picking up some of that flocking powder and popping it over the nail. The white part of the nail, if you remember, is completely wiped away. It is not sticky in any way, so none of the flocking powder will stick to the white. It'll only stick to your red hearts that you have mapped out already. So we're going to cover the nail completely with that flocking powder and then turn it over and tap it off, and all of the flocking powder should have just stuck to the hearts. Now, using that brush that we just applied the flocking powder to, we're just going to clean up around the hearts just to make them a little bit more tidier, a little bit more crisp. Then we will put them back into the lamp. Sorry, I'm completely out of focus there, but you know what I'm doing. We're going to stick it back into the lamp for the recommended time of your gel polish, and this is what it looks like. It is super sparkly and it's very cute for an accent nail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.